Welcome. In this video, we will take a short tour of the entire course. Let's start. This course is divided into 4 sections. Section 1, Setting up your mind. Section 2, Optimize your Upwork profile. Section 3, Winning jobs, techniques and strategies. And final section is all about client management. In the first section, there are 2 lectures. Prepare for the marathon part 1 and part 2. These 2 lectures will help you mentally ready for getting success on Upwork. In the second section, there are 13 lectures. This covers the reality of Upwork business, understanding a high quality client, design Upwork business with profitable niches, finding the right keywords for your niche, 14 key elements for profile optimization, creating a killer title, why professional profile picture matters, 3 effective hacks for a concrete overview, boost Upwork profile with online presence, creating beta profiles, create portfolio if you have no experience at all, raise your hourly rate without fear. Also, few more tips for an outstanding profile. The third section is the most important one. Here you will learn how to win a job. In this section, there are 5 lectures. Those are why most of the proposals get rejected, method of writing persuasive proposal, and a question and answer sessions. Here we will cover the questions. What do clients see while posting a job? Does every invite you receive a quality invite? What to check when receiving an invitation or applying for a job? How to answer an invitation? Why decline invitation a must do? How to answer the screening questions without fear? And finally, how to find the right job using the advanced search. In the very last section, you will learn all about client management. It covers power communication skills, what to do while receive a job offer, how to communicate during a project, what to do if the client is inappropriate, how to end the contract in a proper way, how to be connected with clients even after the job is done. Besides, we will talk about Upwork milestones and how to achieve them. That's it. Just a caution, if you are looking for some cheap proposal templates, this course is not for you. You need a strong will to learn and imply this knowledge, and I know you have it, haven't you? So, let's learn. Thank you.